Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome to Melda 242. I am Melda, and today we're having crab salad. If you want to see how I make this, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. I'd like to pause for this moment and say thank you to all 7,000 of my subscribers right here. God bless you. You've helped me got to 7,000. 7,000. I'm at 7,000. I'm trying to reach 10,000 by December. That's my anniversary. So by the help of the good Lord, I will get there. As a matter of fact, we will get there. God bless you. Continue to watch my videos. Continue to share it out. Continue to subscribe. I appreciate you. Okay, that's a serving right there. Thank you very much for watching my video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.